Hi, my name is Miss Wittenberg, and I know my voice is a little off right now, but the kids have been able to understand me okay, so I'm just going to roll with it. I'm going to go ahead and show you how we are dividing here in 4th grade at Harmony, just so that you guys are all on the same page as we are. So let's say we have a problem like 28 divided by 2. Okay, so we write it like that. I call this our house. So we put our dividend in the house, our divisor goes outside the house, and our quotient will go on top. In order to solve this problem, there's a lot of steps. And so those steps we remember by saying does McDonald's sell cheese burgers raw? And I know that's kind of gross, but the kids remember it and it helps them to solve this problem very simply. D means to divide, M means to multiply, S means to subtract, C means to check, B means to bring down, and R means to either repeat these steps again or it means that you have a remainder. And so it helps the kids to remember to look for that. So the way that I like to start out is to say, can 2 go into 2? If your answer is yes, you underline that digit, and we would say 2 goes into 2 one time.
Are you talking to yourself?
I'm videoing. Okay, and so we have divided. Then we will do 1 times 2, which is 2. Write that there. We multiplied. Then we subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then the next step is to check. So we will say, is 0 less than 2? And if it is, we've done it correct so far. And I like to put a little smiley face there. The next step is to bring down your next digit, which in this case is 8. So I'm going to bring down the 8. Check off that I did that. And then finally, I just brought down a new number, so I need to repeat this process. So I'm going to check there as well. My new number is 8. I'm still dividing by 2. So I'm going to ask how many times can 2 go into 8? It can go in 4 times. So I divided. I'm going to multiply 4 times 2. That's 8. Check that off. 8 minus 8 is 0. I subtracted. Again, I will check. Is 0 less than 2? It is. Check. There are no other digits to bring down. And I do not have a remainder in this case, so my answer would be 14. Okay, so that's our process here in 4th grade. If there is a remainder, we would put a check mark here instead, and we would write the remainder up top by putting R and then whatever number that is. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Other than that, that's how to divide.